Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward your emails from your AOL mail account to any other email account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL Mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the login button at the top right section, which you can click on and then use your credentials. After logging into your account using your credentials, you can click on the inbox option at the left side and you will see all of your emails that you have. Now, if you wish to forward any emails that you have to any other account, then first of all, you can simply open up the email by clicking on it. After clicking on this email, if you scroll all the way at the bottom, you will find the forward option, which looks like a right arrow key. You can click on this or even use the F button as a shortcut in order to forward this email. Now within the to section, you can type in the email address that you wish to forward this email to, and you can also enter a subject if you wish. Type in your message body if required, and then you can click on the send button at the bottom section right away in order to forward this email to an external email service. Once you see the notification telling you that your message has been sent, you will be able to find this message within your sent box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to forward your email from AOL Mail into any other email account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.